What's up, everybody? It's your girl Constance, and I could not let the opportunity pass without letting you guys know about this great offer. Okay, we all know that raw hair is on the pricey side. Raw hair is definitely top tier, it's high quality, it's the purest form of hair on the market, and of course the price is going to reflect it. You can expect raw hair to cost anywhere from $100 to $200 a bundle, and that is starting at its shortest lengths. I'm talking like 12 to 14 inches, starting that high. And I truly believe that that is the ultimate setback when it comes to purchasing raw hair. Is this hair really worth that much money? That being said, I wanted to let you guys know that JHA is actually offering first-time buyers a phenomenal deal. Okay, JHA, also known as Juicy Hair Affair, is offering $500 worth of hair for $399.99. That is not all. Okay, on top of that, you also get free shipping. And in addition to free shipping and $500 worth of hair for $399.99, JHA also offers a 100% money back guarantee. You have 30 days, okay? 30 days to get this hair, feel this hair, wash this hair, test this hair out in your hands and see if you truly do love this hair. And if you do not, you can send the hair back to JHA in its original packaging for 100% of your money back. Okay, 100% money back guarantee. You get a full refund, not 25%, not 50%, not 35%. Okay, 100% back of your money if you truly are unsatisfied with your purchase. So on top of receiving $500 worth of hair for $399, you will also get free shipping as well as 100% money back. Okay, you are protected by this 30-day money back guarantee offer. And in addition to that, from today, September 16th till September 21st, you have the opportunity to actually get this hair and not have to pay for sales tax. So that is $500 worth of hair at $399, free shipping, a 30-day money back guarantee, and no sales tax. That means that at checkout, you will literally just be paying $399.99, okay? If you ask me, that is an amazing, amazing deal. Now, the question still arises, is JHA actually worth the money? After dealing with several hair companies and being burned and scorned by these hair companies, what makes JHA so much more trustworthy than any other company? Besides the fact that JHA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, JHA is also home of 100% unprocessed human hair. Our hair is also the softest hair on the market. And if you do not believe me, check out this testimonial.
Yeah, this is soft. This is soft. Like, your girl is excited. Woo! This 26 inches looks like 28 inches, maybe even 30.
Other than being the softest hair on the market, JHA's raw Indian hair can be dyed, it can be styled with heat, it can be styled with flexi rods, it can be straightened, it can be curled. You can do a number of things to your JHA raw Indian hair, and I guarantee you that the curl pattern will not fade away. As a matter of fact, you can wash your bundles numerous times and you do not have to worry about losing the beautiful curl pattern that you received the hair with. Again, you do not have to take my word for it. Go ahead and check out these testimonials.
This is some legit Indian hair. The thickness of the hair is just something that I appreciate and love.
It is true to length. I can show you guys how long it is, where it comes to on me.
It feels really good.
Here at JHA, we're all about high quality hair and customer satisfaction. It is up to me, the CEO, to make sure that you are 100% satisfied with your purchase, okay? I actually have a live chat option on the website. This allows you and enables you to chat with me while you are shopping and ask me any questions that you might have, okay? JHA's raw Indian hair can blend with your natural hair, whether you have a relaxer or whether you literally are just natural. Do not have any fears when it comes to blending your hair extensions. JHA Raw Indian Hair also has minimal shedding, okay? I'm not gonna sell you dreams and I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you that our hair just doesn't shed, because that is unrealistic. All hair sheds, even the hair on your head and the hair on my head. But with JHA Raw Indian Hair, you can expect your bundles to shed minimally. You do not have to worry about crazy, disgusting, and terrible matting. This hair is going to hold you down. This hair is going to be the best hair that you have ever worn, and I guarantee you it is the softest hair that you have ever worn. Remember, we also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you are truly unsatisfied with your purchase upon reception, go ahead and ship it back to us in its original packaging, and you will get 100% of your money back. Not 25%, not 75%. You will truly get 100% of your money back, okay? So in addition to getting this great deal, you will also have the luxury of not having to pay for shipping. And in addition to that, you will not have to pay for sales tax. Just be sure to use the code FIRSTTIME at checkout and you will not have to pay sales tax. Now I want to remind you, the sales tax code expires September 21st. So you're definitely going to want to make sure you get that. And if you do catch this bundle deal before the 21st, you will literally only be paying $399.99. Remember, this is $500 worth of hair. This bundle deal is typically sold at about $500, but because I realized that not everybody can spend that much money at one time, and some people are so hesitant to go ahead and try this company after being scorned by so many other companies, I wanted to make it a little bit easier for you guys. So go ahead and check out this bundle deal. The link will be down below in the description bar below. If you are not familiar with me, if this is your first time watching a JHA video, I am Constance Annan and I am the CEO of JHA. And JHA was founded on making sure that I provide the highest quality of hair. I'm all about customer satisfaction. I have been a consumer. I have been wearing hair extensions for over 8 years, and I remember what the process was like watching numerous hair reviews and still purchasing hair and receiving the horrible hair. I remember what it was like being let down and not being able to reach a point of contact whenever I purchased hair and it turned out the hair was bad, okay? I remember what it was like being a consumer, and the first thing that I wanted to do when stepping into this industry was making sure that I not only provide high quality hair, but I want to make sure that there is a voice for people like us, people that have, you know, a regular following, people that have regular everyday jobs, people that are just regular people and do not have thousands of followers, okay? We all deserve great hair, and you don't need 100,000 followers to get great hair. You deserve great hair because you work hard for it, and I am here to provide that. So once again, I want to remind you guys that JHA is offering $500 worth of hair for $399.99, okay? This is a 16, 18, 20 bundle deal. The link will be down below in the description bar. Remember, shipping is free, and if you use the code FIRSTTIME, you will not have to pay for sales tax. That means that at the checkout point, you will literally be paying $399.99. Nothing more, nothing less, okay? Definitely take advantage of this opportunity. Remember that the sales tax free code expires on September 21st. And again, this is a limited time offer. We started off with 10 and we now have 4 bundle deals left. So you definitely want to make sure that you catch this opportunity. Again, I want to remind you that shipping is free. You will not have to pay for sales tax if you catch this before September 21st. We do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. This hair sheds minimally. You can dye this hair, you can color this hair, you can bleach this hair, you can curl this hair, you can straighten this hair, you can wash this hair, you can do everything to this hair that you have ever imagined, okay? This hair will not mat up on you. This is true 100% unprocessed human hair. This hair is imported from southern India, and I mean, this is truly the softest hair that you will ever wear. So go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity. Again, the link will be down below in the description box below, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. Do not hesitate to shoot me an email at juicyhairaffair@gmail.com. And remember, we do have a live chat option available on the website, so if you have any questions, if you have any hesitations, if you have any doubts, definitely be sure to contact me via live chat or again at email at juicyhairaffair@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay juicy.